So hello dear students. So in the last class we had been discussing about the development of the elevation from the given plan. So only thing that I had forgot to mention is about the chhajja there. Okay. So as I was telling, the front elevation means you are standing in front of the building and seeing the building height wise. Okay. So we have seen this wall, the window, this door, the complete wall, okay, and even this portion, because if you stand here and you look in this manner, this portion is visible and even this portion is visible, right? So this complete portion and this portion is visible if you are standing here. So here you are able to see the complete building in front of you, right? So this is the complete elevation. So that is why we have taken this line, okay, the outermost line, as the wall height here, projection, and similarly this one, this is the height shown here. So this is the total width here as same of the plan. Okay, this is the elevation what you are going to imagine. So here this line, okay, this line is the edge of the room. Okay, here you can see this one, this is the room. Okay, this is the wall that is perpendicular to this wall. This wall is perpendicular to this wall, and when you look from this side, this wall has gone into the building. Okay, so this perpendicular will not be visible to you because this wall has gone into the building. This wall is shown, okay, and the edge can be seen, right? The sharp edge of this wall can be seen. That is why this wall can be projected here, so that you can also imagine this is one room inside the building. Okay, and then even this edge can be shown, right? Because if you are standing here, this wall, and even this portion is visible to you, and even this edge can be projected up to here and it can be shown here. Okay, it is also okay. So now one more thing is, when you are standing here, the window, the chhajja is seen here, right? The chhajja is seen here. What do you mean by chhajja? It is the projection coming out from the balcony, which is made of RCC, okay, reinforced cement concrete, which is made especially for like preventing the rainwater coming into the window, okay, the above rainwater coming into the window, and direct sun rays which will be entering into the window, to avoid that also. So for both this purpose, the chhajja is going to serve us. But in the plan, if you are standing on the terrace and you are seeing, the chhajja will not be visible. Only this much portion is visible. Only this much portion of the building is visible, but the chhajja is not visible. But you know that chhajja is there, right? Therefore, what we are seeing outside the window, we know that there is chhajja, but it is not visible in the plan. That is why whatever components are not visible, we are going to make it as a dotted line. Okay, we are making it as a dotted line. This is the dotted line. Therefore, this chhajja is shown here. In the similar sense, even this chhajja is shown here. Okay, so this chhajja which was visible to us, this is shown here, and even this chhajja which is visible to us, that is shown here. Okay, so here I would want to tell you guys again that you need to have good imagination of the things. Okay, and my suggestion to you is, you just stand outside your home and you can just have a view of your home in the elevation, because you can easily able to see, or you are easily able to see the elevation of your home, front elevation, so that you will get a clear idea where all the rooms are visible, what are the edges that are visible, how is the chhajja seen, okay, how is the window seen, how is the door seen. So better you guys just have an idea when you are going to just look your home itself from the outside. So that will give you a good idea about how the front elevation is drawn. Okay, so this is all about the elevation part. In the next videos, we will be seeing about the section, how to develop the section, what is meaning by section, what are all the components that we need to imagine there. Okay, thank you.